The Joomla 5 Newsfeeds component allows you to show RSS feeds on your website. While using the Newsfeeds component, we can also use the Joomla feed display module to show RSS feeds. This tutorial will cover the Newsfeeds component in the first part and the feeds display module in the second part.
Before we start to add the first news feed, you should create a category. So when we create new feed, RSS feed, we will assign them to a specific news feed category. If you don't want to create a category, then there is no issue. There is already an categorized category existed. So it will be assigned to your newly created newsfeed automatically. If you want to organize all news feeds, follow the steps below and learn how to create newsfeed category. Step number 1, log in to Joomla 5 admin dashboard. Next, step 2, go to the left sidebar menu and click on components, then news feeds, then categories. Here you can see the list of the existing categories which is currently uncategorized. Step number 3. Now click on the new button in the top left corner of the page. Then step number 4, enter the details for your new category and then click on the save button in top left corner of the page. Now enter the title, let's RSS feed, and insert the description. Click on the save and close button. Now create RSS feed. There are few steps. Steps number 1, go to left sidebar menu and click on components, news feeds, then feeds. Step number 2, click on new button in the top left corner of the page. Enter the feed title and enter the link which is copied from Times of India website RSS feed and insert the description. Also select the category of the fields and then click save and close button. Create a newsfeed menu. So step 1, click on menus, then main menu. Step 2, click on the new button in the left corner of the page. Step 3, enter the title and select menu item type. Click on the news feeds. You will see there are three options available for new pages. So let's choose single news feed. Select the feed. Step 6, click on the save and close button. That's it. Now go to the front end side and reload the page. You can see there is a newsfeed menu. Click on it and now we can see the top stories
Times of India. I hope you learned today how to create news feeds and Joomla 5. So please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.